Hello everyone. The topic for today is Zika virus, that is Zika. Okay. So basically, Zika virus is a mosquito-borne virus and infection, which is known as a flavivirus, that is FLAVI, flavivirus, which was first identified in Uganda in 1947. Okay, and the first outbreak took in island of Yap, that is in 2007. It is island of Yap, YAP, Yap. It is also known as arbovirus. Okay? Zika virus, we can say it as flavivirus or arbovirus. The mosquito which is responsible is the same mosquito responsible for dengue, that is Aedes aegypti. So here the agent factor is all, or we can say the agent is Aedes aegypti mosquito. Okay. Next, the mode of transmission. It is transmitted by the bite of an Aedes aegypti mosquito. The mosquito usually bite in the morning hours or in afternoon hours and very rarely in night. It only bite in morning or afternoon hours. Then next, we can say that it is also transmitted through the infected pregnant mothers. ठीक है? इसके बाद we will study the clinical features. The clinical features are fever. First, the onset is sudden. There is sudden onset. Then fever, skin rashes, conjunctivitis, muscle and joint pain, maculopapular rashes. The rash is of maculopapular, which is like somewhat flattened and papule formation rashes, and arthralgia. These two are very important. That is maculopapular rashes and arthralgia. Arthralgia is joint pain. So these are the clinical features. Then comes the reservoir. Reservoir, there is no such specific reservoir in this, and fatality in this Zika virus is very rare, although it has not been noticed in India, but from the mosquito which it is transmitted, that is Aedes aegypti, is prevalent in India. Okay. Next, we will see the diagnosis. Diagnosis is through standard RT-PCR, that is reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction, and virus isolation from blood sample. So first is RT-PCR, and then virus isolation from the blood sample, and lastly we will move to the management. There is no specific vaccination for this or medicine for this. The management is quite symptomatical. We have to give IV fluids. If fever, then we have to give paracetamol. Then diet has to be taken in care, very light diet, fibrous diet there have to be. For pain, we can give NSAID, non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs. Okay, and somewhat ointments can also work, but for fever is the main symptom. Paracetamol is there, and then IV fluids in case of hospitalization. Okay, so this is all about the Zika virus. It is a mosquito-borne flavivirus. First was in Uganda, 1947. First outbreak was in island of Yap, 2007. It is also known as arbovirus. Clinical features are arthralgia and maculopapular rashes. Onset is sudden, and then we have discussed the diagnostic criteria and management. Management is only symptomatic, no vaccination and nothing. वैसे हो गया